Well, hello again, everyone. It's Kevin from Halo Power Solutions. We're here today just doing the testing on a nice little Generac generator we just installed last week. This is a 6 kilowatt unit on natural gas, and it's a perfect setup for taking care of those critical circuits in your home. That would be your refrigerator, your furnace, the sump pump, freezer, not the heavy duty loads. You're not running your dryer, you're not running the air conditioner or your oven or hot tub, AC on this unit. It's perfect for just keeping the bare essentials going in the event of a power outage. So you can see the unit right here. This is the Generac 6998 model. And like I say, a perfect unit for those critical circuits. So we're gonna go through and do a test on this, simulate a power outage and show you how it fires up and transfers power back over to keep those critical circuits going in your home.
Hi, it's Stuart with Halo Power. What we have here today is one of the smaller panels. It's basically a critical load panel, and what you see is, should the power go out, they're going to operate the two furnaces, fridge, microwave, sump, and their fish tanks. The things that they really want to keep on should there be a power outage. The rest of the house will be dead, but you'll still have heat and do some popcorn.
All right, so we're outside here, and my partner in crime, Stuart, is going to simulate a power outage inside the home. And when that happens, because the generator is in auto mode, it will detect that power has been lost. It will start up all on its own, doesn't matter if you're home or not, and then it will transfer power over to those critical circuits in the critical circuit panel.
Now we're going to simulate a power outage. So, power is going out. The rest of the house is still dead. We see lights, and the generator has just fired up, and you should hear the transfer switch over, giving us power back to all these, and there we go, all these different appliances that they need should there be no power.
So power's been shut down. We've simulated it. See the generator automatically fired up as soon as it detected a loss of utility power. All right, so that generator just started up because of the simulated loss of power, and it will run until utility power has been restored. Okay, so we're now going to show you what happens when the utility power gets re-energized and the generator shuts down. So our generator's still running, but we've turned utility power back on. So you'll see that the generator will go through a shutdown cycle, which it's doing right now because utility power has been restored. And after about a minute, it will shut down and go back into auto mode. And there you go. Generator ran for just over a minute in a cool down cycle now that utility power has been restored. And now it's gone back into auto standby mode, and it just waits here patiently for the next power outage. What's really great about these Generac generators is they're plumbed right into your natural gas line. So it's always got a steady source of fuel. You never got to run out. And that's the advantage of having one of these compared to having your portable generator that you may use for camping. You got to fill that thing up full of fuel, and it may run for 8-10 hours on a tank of fuel, but with a unit like this, doesn't matter if you're away on holidays in Mexico during the winter. When power goes down, the generator automatically fires up and keeps those critical circuits going. The house stays energized so that your furnace stays on, your fridge is going, your freezer, the sump pump, all those critical circuits, and that's a perfect setup for one of these little 6 kilowatt Generac units. All right, well, that completes another startup of yet another Generac generator we've installed here in the Edmonton area. So be sure to give us a call for all your Generac installation needs. Don't leave this to just anybody. If your electrician has never hooked up a backup generator, especially a Generac backup generator, it's really not for the faint of heart. You need to be really well versed in the process of installing and setting these generators up. So until next time, I'm Kevin with Halo Power Solutions, Sherwood Park and Edmonton's most trusted electricians. Well, that's all the time we have today. I'm Kevin with Halo Power Solutions. Thanks for joining me. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like it, share it. Make sure you like our Halo Power Facebook page. And if you're on YouTube, we'd love for you to subscribe and please leave some comments. I'd love to get some feedback on what you think about these videos. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.